guys,
Hey
welcome
guys.
back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And this beautiful face you're seeing here,
It's Angelica Joy
you don't know
here
what
on
she's holding.
YouTube.
She doesn't know what you're holding. we,
My
are,
phone.
we are cooking. Okay, this is supposed to be a vlog, her own cooking vlog, and I'm doing it on my channel.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll show you what she's cooking. I don't know what she's up to, but it's going to be delicious. It's going to be this girl. You don't. Okay, this is the kitchen. Let me open the phone. Just let me open the phone. Let me open now. Let me know what's you. I will say, hey Jesus. Amen. Look here. Okay, what I mean. See as we dey boy as I cook this really massive. So guys, did I even make mention that we? I don't know the video with you. So guys, did I make mention that we do a part-time job here in Abo?
You didn't.
Okay, I didn't tell them. Okay, we do a part-time job here in Abo. People pay us and we cook for them. And on weekends, we only do it on weekends so that we can be able to, how will I put it now, to focus on our studies, kind of. So we'll place our handle on the screen so that you'll be able to contact us. Only Abo, please. Have mercy on us. We are just students, only in Abo. So please, if you are interested, we'll place our handle so you can contact us anytime. No, not anytime. On weekends, please. On weekends.
Like if you're a bachelor, you want a pot of delicacy, something like that.
Have you tasted? Wait first. Have you tasted? You've not tasted. Just try. Let me use that word. Try and see. Today we are making a goosey. You must have seen those videos. A goosey and stew. So after this, I'll show you the last touchings, the final touchings. So we'll see it now.
So guys, we can cook it and come deliver it to you, or come to you where you stay, kind of.
Yeah, and make it for you. Thank you.